Do not hear the pleas of the ocean. We have no invoicing person. You who preserve our heritage, we have forgotten how to preserve life. Dear Mother Nature, we should learn to love and conserve as we provide us with basic needs. By protecting you, Mother Nature, we know you will protect together, for the earth does not belong to us. Mother Nature, I shall plant a tree in your honor for the food you have provided. I shall not litter, for the earth is not a building. For we only exist for a short while, but the earth remembers it all. Mother Nature will remember your good deeds by giving you a healthy life in order to see the good and the floods and the wonders of earth holds.
We have had to make our masks, wear masks, wash our hands and fingers, vaccination for the children, mothers and fathers, to banish this pandemic out from our borders. Thank you. Hello. Sweet brother,
come alone. Oh, how strong you are. Tell me your secret. Why are you not smiling? You like to play our one here. Pretty fun way. You fly to the stone bullet and grab at the bone. I whisper to my hand, you go up trees and grab. Thank you.
He's